Oscilloscope. Press the Run button to start the narrative. Read the footnotes for more details. The oscilloscope is an instrument used for viewing periodic signals and an AC circuit output. It enables viewing a signal at a stationary position on the screen for a close inspection. The oscilloscope involves a pilot spot sweeping periodically with a specified frequency f and travel at a constant speed horizontally from left to right across a screen. The spot shifts instantly in the vertical direction by an input signal. The sweep frequency is adjustable in the instrument. The display demonstrates an application of the oscilloscope in a radar system. A signal is sent periodically to a distant object and received back. The received signal is fed to the oscilloscope, while a new signal is sent to the object. That results in a periodic signal of frequency equals 2c divided by d, being fed to the oscilloscope, where c is the speed of light in the air, and d is the distance to the object. The signal-to-sweep frequency ratio, R, is adjusted in the control panel. When R equals 1, the signal's traces appear at a fixed position on the screen. When the frequency's ratio not equals 1, the trace moves either way on the screen. The traces may as well be placed through the phase input control at an arbitrary position on the screen. Display 2 demonstrates the function of the oscilloscope for viewing sinusoidal potential prevailing in AC circuits. As in display 1, the potential trace is stationary on the screen when the potential-to-sweep frequency ratio, R, equals 1. The trace travels either way on the screen when the frequency's ratio, R, not equals 1. Visit the website www.cyberphysics.academy for a full view of the tutorial. Send comments to contact@cyberphysics.academy.